everyone, in this video I'm going to be doing a tour in this home, and it's in Santander in San Gil, Colombia, so you don't want to miss it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to have some more house tour coming your way, and there's some beautiful homes here in Colombia, so you do not want to miss it. It'll give you some great inspiration. So hit that subscribe button. I hope you like the video. Here we go. Come on in. So welcome, this is our very first house tour. We are in Santander, Colombia. This is a beautiful home, has gorgeous views. Can't wait to show it. Come on in and have a look. We start off the tour with these beautiful gardens. Beautiful garden front entrance area here. Colombia has some beautiful tropical plants, perfect weather of course for this type of garden. And the back green wall there that you see is called Zumbia. It is used for privacy as well as for security. Look at the presence this huge wooden entry door makes. It really welcomes you into the home and makes quite a statement. Look at this gorgeous door and look at the height. It's amazing. Come on in. You enter into a beautiful living space. The focal point behind the sofa is the accent wall. It just speaks to you. It has a nice pattern that repeats, and notice how it stops and doesn't continue all the way up, which helps bring the height of the ceiling down. The windows in the entrance are grand and give you a nice view of the mountains. Great to bring the greenery from the outdoors and bring it indoors, which is very important for our mental health, of course. We need the connection to nature. As soon as you walk into the entrance, you can see the grand height of the ceiling. The ceiling's height is approximately 4.5 meters high. It has painted wooden beams and it has some beautiful light accents. Overall, this area is very inviting and very elegant. It's a secondary seating area that goes out to the pool next to the kitchen area. So it's all an open concept. It walks right into the kitchen area. This is the dining area right here. Follow me to the kitchen. Have some nice music playing in the background. Countertop is waterfall. I have some nice cabinetry. A nice big window overlooking the garden. And look at this gorgeous, gorgeous view. Come on out and have a look. A nice spectacular patio with some gorgeous surrounding views of the mountains, some beautiful gardens. Look at this pool, a nice infinity pool. Can you imagine yourself sipping a nice cocktail, sitting in this pool and staring at this gorgeous view? It's fantastic. So this architecture had inspiration from the homes in Cartagena. So it's contemporary with the Cartagena style. Look at the beams up above. Also, all the rock walls give it a nice touch. They have a nice stone, and it's really artistic the way they put it together. So right next to the pool, besides the kitchen and the living area, there's a nice big open window, which is a big door here and another one there. The bedroom, the master bedroom, is also coming out onto this beautiful pool area. So follow me into the bedroom. So in this bedroom, it overlooks a nice patio and a nice deck on the left side, and there's a nice pool out on this side. But look at this feature wall. It's the same feature wall. It's a little bit different as the one they have in the living room, but it's a beautiful focal point, and they painted it the same color as the wall. It looks fantastic. I think that's a great touch. This is also a really good touch. The bedroom is separated from the closet, but it's not a full wall, so you get the nice big high ceiling and the nice beams that are up there. I think this was a great touch as well. It keeps it all open, but it separates the bedroom from the closet. So as you can see, this closet is really elongated. It's still high, still open up to the bedroom. Come on back out into the living area. This is going out to the entrance. Here's another bedroom on this side here. This bedroom also has its own ensuite and closet.
We have a newsletter, and if you'd like to join, we have a lot of freebies and a lot of tips for you on decorating, and it is in the description below. There's a link right there, so click on it and join.
So I'm going to show you now the second level. I'm going to go up these beautiful, gorgeous stairs. Follow me.
The stairs are made out of concrete.
Really love the way it's finished. Looks really nice. And wow, a gorgeous window. That took me by surprise. It has a really beautiful view. I mean, the whole house has a great view. Looking at all the angles in this home, everywhere you look, you see the mountains. You can see the front gardens. So that wall of greenery around the house, the homeowner told me it took 4 years to get to that way it is now. It looks fantastic.
It's called, I don't know if I'm gonna pronounce it right, Sunglia? I'll have to put it in the comments. So let's continue our tour. Oh, and this, over here they have some gorgeous tile work between the two levels going upstairs. Again, here's some more cement stairs. This is beautiful. Amazing, amazing, amazing. What a beautiful view. This is gorgeous. Look at these hammocks. There's such a nice breeze coming through. Can you imagine yourself sitting here, relaxing, reading a book? What would you see yourself doing here? Let me know, comment below. 2 hammocks up here, overlooking the gorgeous pool area. Overlooking this beautiful, gorgeous view. So right down there you can see the Rio Fonce. You can also hear it too. Hammocks and second balcony upstairs overlooks a beautiful pool and gardens. There's another bedroom up here, another bedroom, and another lounge area where you can sit down, relax, watch some TV, and back behind there is another secret balcony. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Comment below, what did you think of this home? What inspired you? What do you think you're going to use for your new home project? I'm curious, let me know. I bet you it's the hammocks, isn't it? But you need this gorgeous view. Oh my gosh, it was fantastic. So I hope to see you again to the next video. My name's Maria. Ciao for now.